Hi kids, are you having fun at home? I am, but I also miss being with you at school, and I was thinking about all of the fun art projects that we have done together. And some of the projects that I enjoy making the most with you are prints. A print is a mark, like a fingerprint or a handprint or a footprint. At school, we have done prints with Legos. We have done prints with bottle caps like this one. And also in the beginning of the year, we did monoprints. Let's remember how to make a monoprint. Let's look at our materials and tools. To make a monoprint, you need a plate. You can use, I'm using this very used cookie tray. You need It has to be something flat and smooth. So anything you see like that looks like this, it's fine. So you need your plate, you need paint. I chose blue, but you can choose any color you want. You need, if you have a brayer, like this one, you can use your brayer. We have a brayer at home, at school. And also, but if you don't have a brayer, that's okay, you can use your hands. And also you need an old rag like this one, and paper. You need paper, a piece of paper. So get your plate, put some paint on your plate. Let's see, I'm going to use some. I put some paint on my plate. Then I'm going to spread my paint. See, you can use your fingers, or if you have a brayer, you can use your brayer to spread the paint. And after you spread your paint, you can use your pointer. If you don't want to touch the paint, you can ask a grown-up or a sibling to help you spread the paint, and later you can use a cotton swab like this one. But if you don't mind using your finger, then you can start drawing lines. Let's see. So you can draw lines like this, or you can use the cotton swab and do some lines with it. Let's make some dots. And after you are done making your lines, you grab your piece of paper, you put it on top, you press without moving your paper around. Just be very careful and press. At school we also say tap. We tap, you press, and then you lift your paper and you have a monoprint. See, you can make any type of line or a drawing of whatever you want. I made my pet, Kermit, here. Now you remember how to make a monoprint. I hope you can make some. Goodbye.